When applying the crystal label, bend the white side first instead of the clear side. Put it on and wipe it with your hand. Do not peel the film from the sharp points of this graphic. Best rip from this smooth graphic. That's what happens when you don't press it firmly. Crystal label printer need to clean the squeegee and ink pad after use. The tools used are cotton swab and industrial alcohol. Pour industrial alcohol into a glass. Cotton swab soap. It's all about cleaning the scraper. Wipe off this ink residue. To clean the ink pad, you only need to wash this edge. This ink pad also needs to be cleaned on this edge. No cleaning in between. Cleaning's done.